this is such a perfect way to celebrate the first snow of the season.
Yes, so beautiful. Cheers, honey.
Cheers. Welcome to our second episode of Delicious and Beautiful. Do you want to tell everyone what we're making today?
Oh, I'm so excited. We are making a seltzer ginger citrus that is perfect for the holidays, perfect for parties. And in usual fashion, Lisa's going to show us how she makes it pretty and so delicious. Drink.
We're starting with citrus, which is so good for you. We're going to be doing 2 oranges. So I'm going to slice these up. And then we have 2 grapefruits. I'm going to slice these up too. And okay, we've got our, look at all this gorgeous citrus. So citrus this time of year, one, it's in season, and you want fruit and vegetables that are in season.
These just smell so good too.
Right?
Yes, yes.
They're filled with vitamin C, which is so important for a healthy immune system, skin, bones. It helps your body to absorb nutrients, especially from plant-based foods.
You know, one thing I love about your dishes, your drinks, is you kind of put really healthy on the slide. You know what I mean? It tastes delicious. I mean, it's awesome.
That's right. And what I love about citrus too is that it's full of flavonoids and phytonutrients, and that's what gives plants their beautiful colors and their nutritional benefits.
All right. Lisa, just because you're so brilliant at all of this, let's have a little game here going. In less than 10 seconds, tell me everything that is a great benefit about this drink.
Okay, so you've got your microbiome, your skin, your immune system, nature's apothecary.
Good, 8 seconds. And it's great for your taste buds too.
Oh, most important.
Yes. So where did you get this press?
Well, I love citrus, and I have to say that squeezing citrus takes a lot of, thank you, it takes a lot of muscle. So I found that using this, I get a workout.
You do.
And I actually get more juice, and it's a little faster.
So honey, what do you have here? I love the color of this juice press. I mean, it's so fun. Why do you use this versus, I don't know, just squeezing?
You know, it actually makes the process go a little faster. And, you know, I love a pretty juice press.
It is really pretty. I love it.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to move the juice as we pour it into... Sure. Okay, here, you can do this one.
Yes. Is this grapefruit?
Did you see that ruby red grapefruit?
Yeah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
See how you can really get the juice? It just pours right out. It's old-fashioned.
It's old-fashioned.
It's old-fashioned. It's old-fashioned.
Yes.
Doing 2 grapefruits, 2 oranges, and 2 limes. So now we have the ginger. So, want me to show you an easy way to peel ginger?
Yes. Okay. Actually, I would love that. So, can you tell me in less than 10 seconds, what are the health benefits to ginger? Go.
Helps with bloating, gas, constipation, digestive woes.
Oh, that's good. That tastes good too. It tastes good too.
It tastes amazing. I love the spiciness of it. Using a spoon, you can just peel off. You're going to be able to salvage all of the wonderful ginger underneath while taking this hard skin off.
Wow. So you, instead of a peeler, you have it seems like you have better control.
A little bit better control.
Oh, great.
So you don't need anything fancy.
I always feel like I lose half the ginger.
Yes, you can just peel off. You're going to be able to salvage all of the wonderful ginger underneath while taking this hard skin off. Wow. Better control.
Great.
And the only reason why I'm using a blender, or this is actually my Vitamix, my vintage Vitamix, it is because I'm going to be blending this ginger. Now, if you have a shot of ginger juice, you don't even need a blender. So just skip that step altogether. Because I'm using fresh ginger, I'm using it.
That's delicious.
Okay, so I'm going to help. I always like to help the blender or the Vitamix out a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to put on. Thank you. Do you want to do the honors of blending?
Okay, sure.
Okay, so you turn this on like that. I'm just going to do a little glass. Okay.
I love that.
That should be good. What we're going to do now is we're going to...
Sounds so powerful.
I know.
Why do you like the Vitamix best?
The Vitamix is It's extremely powerful. I've been using it since I was in culinary school. And it just like, it purees things really quickly, and it actually can help keep the integrity of the...
Could I also use, if I wanted, let's say I don't have a Vitamix, could I use one of those bullets, you know, the blender?
Sure. You know what? Blenders have come so far that there's a lot of different options now. So I'm going to pour this into a pitcher. Okay. And then this is where you get to decide if you want to add seltzer. You could add an alcohol-free bubbly, or you could add a full-on real deal champagne if you wanted to as well. I'm going to start with about a cup. So here we have about a cup of seltzer added. Are you ready? And the rosemary.
So good.